Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and I just wanted to say how amazing it was to see so many of you cooking your Christmas dinners on the barbecue this year. It was amazing seeing so many turkeys and hams being smoked outdoors. I cooked my own Christmas dinner for the 8th year in a row. I did smoked turkey and ham, and it went down so well, and it was really good, really good. Hope you're looking forward to the season ahead. We've got an amazing year ahead of us to barbecue, and it starts now, so no need to wait until the spring, summer to start barbecuing. Get outdoors, get cooking. 2019 is looking amazing. I've got my own book coming out, and I'm really excited about that in May, Food and Fire. There's a link below, so if you want to check it out, it's available for pre-order. And yeah, I just wanted to say that this channel is not just about me, it's about you guys. What would you guys like to see me cook in this next year? I'd love to know your thoughts and ideas. Any recipes and techniques you'd like me to try would be really appreciated to get your thoughts in the comments box below. And please spread the word for what I do here. It's all appreciated, and any love you can give me is really appreciated as I'm trying to build what I do, getting the word out for barbecue in the UK. Okay, so see you soon. Cheers.